Alright, so got it lubed up, everything's good. I'm gonna do the tensioner. Just a little tiny thing. What is this? 13. Shoot. We'll have to go with 1/2 inch. I think this tensioner keeps the tube against the tire. Not exactly sure why you would need that, but you know, it's obviously there for a reason. They didn't just put it on for fun. Okay, so got those bolts undone. Should be good now. It's very important that you don't pinch the tube. That's the one thing you don't want. So once you pinch the tube, then you need a new tube, obviously. Unless you can patch it with your crazy patching skills, if you have any. Okay, so we got the first one in. First wrench in. Now, bigger screwdriver. Didn't even know we had that one. I'd rather put this one in there first. Just use a hammer tap it in. Tap it in. And it's not in all right yet. It's in. I'd rather use a smaller screwdriver for this kind of work. Now you just take the small bites. Take the next screwdriver out. Small bites. Now it's almost coming free by itself now. Trust me, this tire lube just does wonders. It helps so much. If you can get your hands on that stuff in a local store or anything like that, please, like just a small amount. This stuff is strong. You don't need much. But now, as the tire's coming up, much nicer now. It's just, yeah, small bite still, but it's much easier. Okay, so it's off the first side. Pull it up. Alright. Now, a little more tricky-ish part. Okay, so we want to get it over. Usually it should just pop out, but you know how tires are. Tire lube in there. And you want this all the way over. Just trying to remember how this works here. Okay, so we'll start on the bottom here. See if you can get the tube out as soon as possible. Because the least you can pinch this thing, the better for everyone. I'm going to see if I can get it out now. Now I'm just using a CRF 250R, but this is pretty standard dirt bikes and bicycles for that matter. Okay, where's the valve stem? Oh, it's already out, I think. There we go. So, got the tube done. No more worrying about pinching, anything like that. You're free to go. Since you're not keeping this tire, it's not too much of a big deal. Stick it all the way through, bring it over. You can see that, how that's already coming. You can see a big hole. small bites like last time. It's a little bit more tricky if you have somebody to help you. It's always better. 2 wrenches, I mean 2 screwdrivers, different spots. Should work wonders. It's being quite stubborn right now. Might be dragging on a bit, but it's almost there. Just doesn't look. I haven't done this in a while, so yeah, it kind of looks weird right now, but it'll be almost off. Done this in a while, like I said, so it's almost there. I'd like to leave that in and get it. There. Took a little bit of work. Couldn't see it really because, well, I needed some more room for that. But, tire's off. That lube does wonders. Again, I'll say it. Now we need to buy a new tire. It's good to wash up the rim. Make sure you clean up your shop after, like I haven't done in a while. Got a lot of gunk in there. That little spacer thing I was talking about, I took the bolt off. That's this. Pushes against. Or doesn't push against, either one, I don't know. Whatever. I think it keeps the tire tube centered on the outside and the tire inside it. Whatever. So, we're going to wipe that up. So yeah, it's good to go. I'm just going to do some more cleaning up after this video is over. Just, you know, a little bit here and there. You don't want any dirt in there because